What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another lesson. Today we're learning Pretty Woman by Orbisen. What a lack of song to play. Let me play it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, you kinda like to me. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman, you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? And then the bridge. Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty woman, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you, I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby, be mine tonight. There we go. Pretty woman, da 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 da. And it just carries on like that. Simple song, really fun to play. You don't have to play the hard F sharp minor. We're gonna learn an easy one. So let's start at the beginning of the song. We'll start with the riff and we go through all the different sections of the song. So the first riff goes like this. Okay, so ba 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 ba. Pretty woman. So you got the riff. Now the verse is simple A, and then you could do F sharp minor like this, bar on the second fret, and put these two fingers on frets 3, 4, on frets 4. Okay, so like that. Okay, but don't do that for now. Just do A, and then F sharp minor like this. Pretty woman, what I see. Pretty woman, you kinda like me. Pretty woman, you love me, you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, na 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 na. You asking me, la la la. Pretty woman, stop a while. So that's D minor. The bridge is just D minor. Pretty woman, G7. Stop a while. C. Pretty woman, A minor. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty simple. And then last line, pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you. I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby. Be mine tonight. 'Cause Okay, and the strumming for the song is pretty simple. It's just down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. You got the strumming, you got the chords, you got everything you need, and you're gonna make this song sound awesome. Cheers, guys. Have a nice day.